In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's text to image. Now, this is extremely easy to do, but we do need one of their apps. Now, to find it, we can come over to the app section just here, and then we can type in Magic Media, click enter, and it's going to be this first one just here. Now, if you're on the home page of Canva, you can also come over to the app section, then come to the search bar and type in Magic Media, and again it's going to be this first one just here, and it is created by Canva. Now if we come back over to here, we're going to click on there, and now that's been installed. Now from here we can actually choose from images and videos. Now I did recently create a video about text to video, and I'll link that down in the description. But for this example, we're going to use images. Now, this right here is where we're going to describe the image that you want, and they'll generate it for you. We also have some options to change styles with filmic, watercolor, photo, dreamy, and anime. If we click on see all, we can see more styles as well. Now, let's go back to here, because we also have a few different aspect ratios which we can choose from. But again, for this example, let's actually choose this one. Now, instead of writing a prompt, we're going to try an example. So all we have to do is click here on that little plus icon, and it's going to create a prompt. So this one is Magical Garden with Bees and Flowers Pastel. Now to generate this, we want to click on Generate Image. It's going to take a few seconds. And there we go. We now have 4 variations of our image, which was a magical garden with bees and flowers pastel. Now, if we click on the 3 dots on these images, we're going to have a couple of different options. We can generate more like this, or we can generate video. Now, if we want to put this on the screen, we can just drag and drop like so, or we can just click on the image and it's going to put it on the canvas. Now let's take this, let's position this to the front, and let's make this bigger just so we can take a look. So as we can see, it looks pretty good. Now let's delete this, let's go back to the app just here, and let's generate something else. We're first going to choose a style, so we're going to go with watercolor, and now we're going to type in a cute monkey wearing a top hat. We're going to click generate again, and again it's going to take a few seconds. And there we go. We now have 4 variations of our cute monkey wearing a top hat. If we click on one of these, we can check it out. Let's just push this to the front and let's take a look. This actually looks pretty good. But that's just how easy it is to use Canva's text to image. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it does really help out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.